Hey everybody, welcome to the AI Model Comparison app. It's a simple tool that you can ask AI a question and get the response from multiple AIs. All you have to do is go to apify.com, go to the App Store, type in AI Model Comparison, or use the link in the video and click on Try for free. You can register a free account. Once you do so, go to the Input tab right here, specify your prompt or your question, and select which models you want to ask. For example, I want to ask these 4 models. Once I selected the models, I have an option to ask for the best response. Once I get all of the answers from all of these 4 AIs, I can run it with AI one more time by specifying the answers of all 4 of these and trying to come up with the best answer based on the answers from all of the AIs. I like to use it, so I'm going to specify, for example, Grok 4.1 fast. I click on Save and I click on Start. Once you do that, it'll take less than a minute and you can get your results. Once you see the success message, you can scroll down and see the results. This is your question, the prompt, and over here under model responses, you can have all of the data right here. What I like to do is I like to go to export, click on CSV, download, and open in Excel or Google Sheets. Once you open in Excel or Google Sheets, you could see the question or the prompt, the best response, and each response from each AI that you selected. You can scroll all the way to the right, and you can enjoy it. You can select the response that best fits you. Try to first use the best response because it is a mixture of all of the other AIs, prompted again and asked again from the AI. If you have any questions, let me know. Try it out for free and enjoy the app.